Welcome to LiveTiles! Here we are. Thank you very much for stopping by. What an exciting time, Pete.
Great time.
Great time. It's Carl Redenbach. I'm the CEO of LiveTiles. Here we are at our awesome bar here in New York City. Thanks for coming in.
I'm Peter Newen-Brown, Chief Experience Officer for LiveTiles.
Great, and what a crazy time this is in human society. We've seen companies digitally transform over the last 10, 20 years. Now we're living through what we call the intelligent revolution and the intelligent transformation of companies, where no longer is the services provided in a certain way. We're going to see autonomous cars in the future. We're going to see businesses completely change. And the most exciting thing for us here at LiveTiles is that we're right in the middle of it. And we'd like to thank you for coming along with us on this journey.
We're seeing customers tell us they want to work differently. They want an easier way of working. They want artificial intelligence. They want a whole new way of actually getting their job done. So our job as a company is to make that a reality.
And we'd love you guys to come with us, join us on this journey. Come at any time to New York City. I'm here. You want to have some fun? Come right to this bar. I'll be right behind it. So thanks for stopping by and look forward to seeing you soon.
Here at LiveTiles, we aim to revolutionize the way people interact with technology. We do that by putting the power of our software in our users' hands to build intelligent workplace solutions. Let's take a quick look at a demo.
So here we have a very typical LiveTiles page. We're bringing together content from inside the enterprise, such as documents, news and announcements, and potentially content from outside the enterprise, like social or video content. It could be on YouTube or Vimeo. You'll notice in the top left-hand corner of the page, there's this design view option. And this is really where the power gets put into the designer's hands. Once they go into the design canvas, they then have a tile suite where they can control and configure and then drag and drop those tiles onto the page. Once they have changed the page, they can very quickly see how this page looks and feels across a mobile device, and then save their page and go back into end user view.
We have a philosophy here that a portal for everybody serves nobody. So we've built LiveTiles Intelligence to gain insights about how users are actually utilizing and adopting across the enterprise. Let's take a quick look at that.
So here we have the heat map feature, and I can see of all the people that are accessing this page, the areas of interest. So I can see there's higher interest in the documents and news, and then say less interest in the CRM. We can use this information to make data-driven decisions on how we can enhance this page for our users.
Hi and welcome to LiveTiles. This is our global headquarters in New York City, and we'd love to show you around our very awesome office. Basically what we've tried to do with our modern workspace is make sure that we've got different areas designed for different activities. Whether you're having a drink at the end of the day at the bar, perhaps catching up over a game of ping pong, or sitting in one of our quiet spaces, either in our cafe area or our lounge up the back. We also have an open desk space, working space, as well as some very funky conference rooms. At LiveTiles, we're very proud of our flexible working environment where people can come and go as they please. We feel that people have lives outside of work, and we certainly encourage them to make sure that they have time for those commitments as well. When asked about what makes LiveTiles such a great place to work, the answer is simple. It's our people. Say hello to our people at our New York City headquarters. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
At LiveTiles, our global family is based around 3 core values. The first is we are decent human beings. We act with integrity, with humility, and with empathy. Second, we get shit done. We work hard, we work smart, and we work together. We collaborate with each other from all corners of the globe. Third, at LiveTiles, we create unforgettable experiences, whether it be with our technology solutions that we deliver to our customers or all of our interactions with the people that we meet along the way. So if you'd love to join the global family, please reach out via our website.